As you guys can see behind me, it's there's a chance of rain all week long, so I'm going to try to film as much as I can and get as much done before the rain starts. So, and you know what I'm saying, but okay, let's see what's up. Okay, the next step, can you see me? Okay, can you see me now? Next step, remove cooling fan, shroud, radiator. And we got a couple specialty tools that just arrived in the mail, so we're going to be using them. And I'm going to turn you guys around so you can see down here. And we're going to get to work. All right, let's get her done. This is what we need to do, is we need to hold this, because it moves. And we need to loosen this and remove this guy. So that's what we're gonna do. Here's the tools we need, which is a special spanner's wrench. And I got this one, the 15-inch. Because that nut down there is a little on the big side. Super penetrant. I use this on anything that's like a nut and a bolt, because you know this thing has been sitting here for 2 years. And regardless, I mean, like, it's just gonna loosen anything that's rusty for sure. Okay, so let's get to it. We got this special spanner's wrench here. And there's holes on here that it locks into. Perfect. I don't know how it stays on there, but... Oh, and here's a quick tip is, see how these fan blades are? I'll move this out of the way. It blows this way. This is how it would work. That's the same way that that nut is going to turn off. Just so you guys know. Does anything work right in the automotive world? Okay. I like to show you guys how in real life things don't always work the way you see them on TV. Come on, you fucking thing. Okay. Come on. Sometimes when things like this happen, you just have to, what they say, get a bigger hammer. Okay, I'm back. Let's try this thing again. Success. Nothing more and nothing less than success. So we did it, guys, which is cool. That's how you remove that. So we need to remove this cooling fan that's in front of the radiator, and it's one of the T25 to the rescue. Yes. Super penetrant. That stuff works like a dream. Okay, looks like we can pull the cooling fan now. So somehow this comes off of there. I haven't figured out how to do it yet. But where there's a will, there's a way. So hopefully in this case it's a yes way, not a no way. Okay, I'm going to try to remove this cooling fan. The biggest problem is I couldn't pull that clip off, so I'm going to try to pull it out and then figure out how to take the clip off once it's out. The main thing here is not to mess up anything that has to do with this radiator. Of course, it's going to be almost impossible for me to do it this way. Alright, let me pause and try to figure out how to get this clip off. Alright, so I took a different approach. Instead of taking the clip off that's up here, let's see if I can move this. There, you can see both. Alright, I took a different approach. Instead of removing this clip that was impossible for me to get off, I'm going to unplug it here. And then take these wires off. Then I'm going to unbolt this and take this off. Alright, let me go get something to take that nut out. You guys can see what I'm talking about. Right there. That's what I'm talking about. Instead of screwing with this, I just remove this clip. Now I gotta get something for that, so hold on a minute. Alright, so as we've learned before, this is a 10 millimeter. it ain't one thing, it's another. Now I can't... Fuck's sake. That's the thing I love about working on cars. It's always so full of surprises. Okay, we've done it. Cooling fan removal. There it is. Okay, so it looks like it's about to rain, and I want to do one more thing before it starts. I'm going to take off the oil filter and let whatever is left inside of it drain out, and it can rain all at once. And then the next time I see you, we're going to remove this radiator. That's our next project. Okay, so there it is. That's our next project, but for right now, like I said, we're gonna do this. Yeah, the blue oil filter down here. Gonna take that off, and then underneath, I mean, it's gonna cause a bunch of mess. Whoever designed this was totally ridiculous, but let's see what kind of damage it's gonna cause. Hold on. If there'll be anything even in here. And no, not even one drop. Well, that takes care of that. So see you in the next one for radiator removal.